In this video, we are going to talk about the difference between may and might. A good place to start is might is not the past tense of may. Often in the past, these two can be used interchangeably. But let's take a look at some examples and see how may and might can be used. So let's look at A. It says here, I might run a marathon. And B says, Todd may run a marathon. Now, for many people, or to many people, this could very well be the same thing. Oh, may and might. However, there is an important difference. You see A, where it says I might, this has a low percentage, maybe somewhere between 20 and 30%. I might run a marathon one day. So it's very non-committal. No one is committing themselves to running a marathon. Then we have B, Todd may run a marathon. This is a little bit stronger when we have may versus might. This could be 50%. So Todd may run a marathon this year is kind of the connotation here, versus in A, it's I might run a marathon one of these days. So in order to show the likelihood of an event happening, might is between 20 and 30%, and may is a bit stronger at 50%. So there's one difference. Now, looking at these other examples, we have here may or might. So I'm not going to actually ask you to choose which one is better, because in both cases, either one is fine. They refer, and let's focus here on C, to an event that happened in the past. And here it says Sean may have lost his cell phone, or Sean might have lost his cell phone. It is an event that it's possible that it happens or happened. We do not know for sure. And so we use may here with the present perfect tense to show that something may or might have happened. In D, it says he might have been a great athlete, but he never applied himself. This one is slightly different. The reason I throw this in here is it's an interesting use of may, might, and the use is basically, we'll put may or might here. ... means words in between, and then but. And this is almost like saying although. So although he was a great athlete, he never applied himself. So it's not showing us, oh, he maybe was a great athlete, but it's saying definitely he was a great athlete. However, he never applied himself. So the may, might, but construction is the same as although or however. It shows that contrast. And now moving on to another difference between the two, because we started off with a difference in the middle slides. That is the last two slides. We showed how they were similar. They could be used interchangeably with the past perfect. And now we have a difference again. Might is more polite, which is easy to remember. Might is polite, kind of rhymes. Might I have a piece of pie? In fact, it's very polite that if you use this too often, it's almost comical. It almost makes you look so submissive and deferential and polite. May is fine. May is also polite, just not nearly as polite. May I have a piece of pie is something you would hear more often because people actually use this in conversation. Both are polite. This is a little bit extreme. So when in doubt, just stick to may. And there we have the may-might difference. Again, level of politeness, likelihood of event happening are the two areas where might and may differ.